Today I'm going to show everybody Indian famous dessert which we eat in the north as well as in the south. It's very easy to make and very delicious to eat. The ingredients are like wheat semolina, ghee, clarified butter, sugar, cardamom powder, dry nuts, saffron. Today I'm going to show you the kesari which I'm going to make with the basil leaves with a twist. These basil leaves are Indian and it's very good for health. And we add kesar to give a nice color. That is saffron. Kesar is saffron. And this is the one which already I made. Now you are going to get a taste of this kesari with all the dry fruits. So now you all will get to taste. Add clarified butter.
Can you get measurements?
Yeah, like for 2 cups I added 1 cup of clarified butter. And some I saved for finally for decoration. Dry fruits. Cashews, dry grapes, almonds, and the small nuts are called as charoli. This is an Indian small this one. Let all the dry fruits turn golden brown.
This is boiling hot water.
Adding in the ghee.
And we're going to add it to the ghee that's been infused with the nuts and the raisins and the other dried fruit.
Pour. 1 cup milk. Half and half.
We're adding about 1 cup of milk to the water,
Half and half.
but she's using half and half.
Stirring it.
The liquid mixture comes to a boil, add your sugar. And that's to the half and half, the water and the ghee.
And the crystal sugar also I'm adding now.
Is adding saffron that has been soaked in milk for about 2 hours, and this will give this the beautiful orange color. Mitra has added basil to the mixture, but this is not regular basil. This is Indian basil known as holy basil. Has a very unique flavor.
Cardamom powder.
A pinch of orange food coloring is added to the liquid, and you can always add more water if necessary. Now we are adding back the raisins, the dried fruit, and the nuts that were sautéed in the ghee. That's going back, but we're reserving some for the top to be used for decoration.
Even going to stir it.
And it's important to add your semolina slowly, and you reduce your flame and setting to a lower heat. And you continue to stir.
There will be no lumps when we add slowly the semolina, and later we increase the stove. Careful.
And now you can see that the semolina is thickening, and it's almost like erupting lava in a
Now-
Hawaiian volcano.
Now we can close it. We can put the dry nuts. Now turn off the gas.
Take a peek, and Sumita is opening up her kesari, and you can see it's gotten a lot thicker. Now Sumita has taken the cover off of her kesari, and she said it's now ready to eat.